Now, do you remember the story? We have to read and circle. We have art lessons or we don't have art lessons. Is it yes or no? We have art lessons or we don't have art lessons? I think that the answer is we have art lessons. We go to school. We don't go to school. Affirmative, negative. Which is the correct one in the story? I think it is you don't go to school. Then we have tennis lessons or we don't have tennis lessons. It is about these boys. Is it affirmative? We have tennis lessons, or is it negative? We don't have tennis lessons. I think it is affirmative. We have tennis lessons. Let's check. Yes, very good. So the correct answers in this story is we have art lessons. You don't go to school. We have tennis lessons.